You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you pronounce this word? I believe it's also a name. It is used in different expressions in English, expressions that come from French. In French it is said as vu, vu, with this very specific U sound of the U letter in French, vu. But because the sound doesn't exist in English it's generally pronounced as vous, with like a double O sound, a U sound, as in déjà vu. Now déjà vu, you can learn right here how to say it correctly as well if you're interested. See you there. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.